And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I have the cutoff jean shorts, the jorts. I got the cowboy hat, and that's because today is the day, NASCAR Day 2021. We're back, baby, we're back. So a couple key details on the NASCAR. Obviously, these are not headlights. These are simply stickers. There's no emergency brake, and so for the last 3 weeks, we've been using the grass seed to keep it from rolling out. I'm pretty sure I should be able to push this car. Oh, look at that! Like I said, I never miss leg day. So here's the big plan for the day. The car has been sat here in my garage for 3 weeks. It's kind of in the way. I need to move it to the warehouse. Now we could trailer it. Oh yes, As if today couldn't get any dumber, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, how can you drive a NASCAR without taking the donk?
What time is it? What time is it?
NASCAR Day, baby, 2021.
NASCAR Day 2021, let's go!
AMG, boy!
Yo, what is on your legs? What's on your legs?
These are my new jorts.
Those are super nice.
Farmers only, baby. Farmers only. So excited! I've never seen you run so fast.
You look amazing.
Don't I?
Look at these things.
I know.
Turn around, turn around.
Whoa! Ladies!
Whoa!
The little dance, the hips. I didn't know your hips could move like that.
Yeah,
Farmers only.
Honestly, it brings out my facial characteristics.
It does.
I'm just
100%.
saying, I look good in a cowboy hat. Luke just pointed out something really important that we desperately need. Here, buddy, you can't come in here. No, you're not allowed in here. Oh no. Yeah. Anyways, we definitely need the fire extinguisher, but yeah, NASCAR Day.
You get an A+ for effort because this says recharge.
No. Did you look closely?
What?
Look, it is above the recharge. We got a millimeter right there.
Dude, there's a green zone. You're out of the green zone. You're
Well,
in
yeah,
the
no,
red.
but we're not on the recharge. We're fine.
And
this
then-
guy.
Wheel chalk. Nah. Just grab a bag of fertilizer. You're the most American you've ever been.
Luke was just like in the most serious tone ever. What if it did start on fire?
Well, you can't lose Johnny.
No, we cannot lose Johnny.
National treasure right
So
here.
James,
But on that bombshell, Johnny.
Get in.
let Johnny out first, and then you go.
Johnny NASCAR, Johnny Jockey. So Johnny, I don't know if you can see that red line. It says fuel line. If you can just straddle that, that should be really safe right there.
High-octane explosive fuel. Just put your safe spots on that.
Yes.
Oh,
yes, yes.
Johnny, you're good.
Look how easy
Air.
it is so hot in there. Luckily, these are stretchy jorts.
Saddle up, Buttercup. Let's go.
I feel fuel going through my butt.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
Oh. Let's go.
Dude,
Are you kidding me?
America, baby.
Oh! No way! Oh my gosh! That's the exhaust. Not again!
To be fair, this is probably the heaviest clutch that exists.
Dude, look at it go! Look at all, do you see all the rocks that are kicking up? Dude, it's straight slicks.
I am so terrified right now. This car revs to 10,000 RPMs. Also, I realize the camera's like right in my face, but I have no space. You ready, Johnny Rocket?
Yeah.
All right, so it's a 4-speed manual transmission. And then the reverse, you gotta push down and over. So I think we're good. It is so loud. It is so loud. This is such a bad idea. What are we doing? Just 1 second. Very loud. That's so loud! Wow! We're watering it! It's gonna be muddy! It's gonna be muddy! We're driving through a construction zone right now! Oh! Oh, come on!
Come on, baby.
No!
Please, Dale.
No!
That is so loud.
See that rear tire? I at least figured out how to get it going. That's by just straight up launching it.
Oh, there's a clump right there! There's a clump! Oh no! I'm trying to drive it smooth. Welcome to McDonald's and the double golden arch.
Watching you take off in first gear is the best thing ever because you just
I
spin.
can't drive it smooth. It just wants to spin like crazy. 2 orders of the 10-piece nuggies and 2 Oreo McFlurries. Can I also get 2 apple pies and 2 Big Macs, please? This car revs to 10,000 RPMs. We're talking 850 horsepower. This car is driven at a Daytona 500, and now we're at McDonald's getting nuggies with the boys. How's it here in the first? Come on, baby. Smooth as butter. Smooth as butter. Dude, I'm getting good at this. I'm getting real good. That's about it. Thank you. There's no cup holders in here. Thank you. Oh, yes. Oh, no! No! Sorry, I'm sorry. No! You just gotta give it the pepper, Luke. No power steering with 1 arm. Let's go. Arm day. I can't get it to be smooth, and of course we have to drive through the mud in a NASCAR through construction. Do you see the police car?
Yeah.
Nobody was in it. Like, we pull out the first road we're on, there's nobody in it.
I saw that and I was like, we are so screwed.
So screwed.
So screwed.
Oh, the jorts though, stretchy. And they soak in the sweat running through.
Yeah, you can feel the fuel going down the line. You're just like...
We legit hit every single green light. I was praying.
Dude, especially
so
turning
hard.
left?
I know, the left. We got the left green out of nowhere.
Ears were just
Did you
blown
see the
out.
smiles on everybody's face? So everybody was loving it.
so
That's why
happy.
everybody loves NASCAR, dude. God's a NASCAR fan. That's why we hit all greens.
Where we are, I made a wrong turn. We're just driving through a random neighborhood. Oh, Patula, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're back. Oh my God. I can't drive this thing smooth. This is awful. Let's go. We're driving by a state prison. I don't know if you guys can hear me. We're driving by a state prison. Hello. That's where we're headed soon. That's our new home right there. We made it. We survived. The NASCAR is officially to home, sweet home, Powerfield. Oh my gosh. We did it!
Bro, are you exhausted?
I am beat up and bullied.
This looks exhausting to drive.
Mentally, I am exhausted. That car is so loud. I think we got it to 10,000 RPMs on the freeway.
Oh, really?
Oh my
Dude,
gosh.
did you see the cop?
Wait, there was another one?
There's a cop going, yeah, the other way. You like just barely missed
Seriously?
him. He was off in La La Land. You're just like, whoa! Flew past him, dude. You're good.
Can you do that again? And again.
I've been to a lot of NASCAR races and kind of a professional.
I can't hear out of my right ear because the exhaust is on that side. My shirt is damp.
Did you notice the trail off and damp as the nugget approached your mouth?
So good. Johnny, I am so glad I just shared that experience with you.
Dude.
Oh my gosh.
Bonded in friendship and NASCAR. That was insane.
That was...
I don't know how many times we said that, but it seriously felt like getting chewed on by a T-Rex.
I don't know what else to really say other than newfound respect for all of the NASCAR drivers, especially Rusty Walsh, driving this car 500 miles over the course of a couple hours. I drove it to McDonald's and back, and I'm exhausted. But here's the real question. What do we do with the NASCAR now? We could convert it to make it street legal, not saying it's not street legal, but we could convert it to street legal, add blinkers, add headlights, add taillights, or do we pull the motor and the trans and put it in something else? So this right here is where I stalled the NASCAR in the construction zone. And this guy was looking at me like I was an idiot. I couldn't get any traction in the mud. Oh, and now we're driving the GTR with its freshly painted bumper off-roading. Come on, Utah. Really? There goes the carbon fiber. That was the craziest adrenaline rush of my life. Like 30 minutes, the heart was just pounding. Go, 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 go. I stalled the car at the most critical times in the construction zone in the mud, and then leaving McDonald's, we saw 2 police cars. One of them was empty doing like a house call. The other was going the opposite way and didn't even notice us. Like, we're in a NASCAR that revs to 10,000 RPMs and he didn't even notice us. What do we do with the car? It's at the warehouse, it's safe and secure. Do we do a crazy build? Do we race it against some hypercars? Do we pull the motor, the trans, put it in something else? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I want to thank the owner of the car, Mute Collector. Go follow him on Instagram. I'm going to link him below. I can barely even talk right now. I can't hear. I wish you guys could hear this car in person. The camera microphone cannot pick up how loud it was. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.